Hey gang, James Harnsberger here, and I want to address this short video to all of the men and women in the tax and accounting industry. So I want to start first by asking you a question. Remember the day that you got involved as a tax or accounting professional and you started your own gig, or you started that gig doing the tax work or the accounting work? You remember what that felt like? And what motivated you and what got you involved and gave you the passion to do what you do today? If you're like me and most of the people in our industry, you got involved for the same reason I got involved. You want to help people. And it gave you a great feeling that you could take something very complex and present it to a client in a way that they could understand and give them an outcome and a benefit, and naturally help them realize some of the things that they wanted to accomplish. That's why we do what we do. And so what happens is, once in a while we stumble across a new strategy, maybe we stumble across a new tax concept or some new facts that our client has, and it gives us that chance to bring new value to our client. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few minutes and share with you one of those great opportunities. And before I do, I want to ask you another question. When you're sitting there working with the client and you have that answer to their problem or that answer to their question, and you slide that across the desk and you show them the result, what does that feel like? Do you remember what that felt like? It felt awesome. It felt awesome. You're helping them realize their financial objectives. You're helping them get to the outcomes that they want. And that's really the passion that drives the energy that we put into doing what we do as tax and accounting professionals. Now, I'm an enrolled agent. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I have a lot of high net worth clients. I have a lot of business clients. And when I learned about these types of strategies, it was like that moment when I first got involved over 30 years ago, when I was able to help my client realize an effective way to save more money. Naturally, we want to get the details, and naturally we want to have all of the facts so that we can discover all of the opportunities that we can present to our client, and I'll get to that in just a moment. We have energy companies, solar companies, that are sitting on billions of dollars of net operating loss, tax equity, and solar energy credits. And what we need to do is we need to help the solar companies transfer those net operating losses and transfer those solar energy credits to clients who could also use them on their tax return. And maybe your client can't put solar panels on their roof, but maybe they can help somebody put it on their roof. And the benefit is that this is how the solar company capitalizes their equipment needs for future projects and gives a benefit to your client by being able to use these net operating losses, tax equity, and solar energy credits. So here's what I want to challenge you. You're already a professional. You're already in tune because you're watching this video. You're already interested, and all we need to do is get to the next step. My challenge to you is follow the instructions on this page, take the next step, get on a call, get the information that we're going to send you to give you all the details. I don't want to sit here and geek out about NOL credits and how they work. I just want to let you know they do work and invite you and challenge you to see if this is something you can present to your clients and bring that value. Because you and I know the greatest feeling in the world is when we slide that result across the desk to that client and we watch them light up because we've been effective at what we do. Follow the instructions on this page. I look forward to having a one-on-one call with you. My name's James Harnsberger. Let's get started.